Is joining us now with a look at how this is affecting one urban area in particular, New York City. Robert?
Yeah, the largest market in the country, Kelly. You've got the protest, COVID, and of course the business lockdown, all putting pressure on a market that had already been in decline for 2 years before this. Now, in May, the number of contracts signed in New York City fell 87%. That is believed to be a record. New listings in Manhattan falling 80%. So you've got a lack of buyers, a lack of deals, and a lack of listings. But the hardest hit segment is at the top. If you look at deals for apartments over $4 million, there were only 16 in May, totaling $100 million. That compares to 111 last year, totaling more than $1 billion. So that's a 90% decline at the top. And then you've also got, as you just mentioned, early evidence of that urban flight. Urban Digs did a calculation for me looking at contracts and listings where they look at demand, and they found that while demand is falling sharply in New York City, it is rising in every single surrounding suburb. You look at Westchester, Greenwich, and in New Jersey, you've got Bergen and Monmouth counties. All those counties seeing increases in demand while Manhattan is declining. Now, brokers in New York City are barred right now from showing apartments. They're hoping that New York City real estate opens around June 22nd, and it is only then that we will start to see some deals and figure out where the prices will eventually fall. Kelly?
There's bigger implications, Robert, though, if people are leaving the city, especially for the tax base.
So here's how the pain cascades down. You've got the wealth destruction at the top, of course, but property taxes are the #1 source of revenue in New York City, $30 billion a year from property taxes. If that declines, you've got less hospitals, less police, less fire, less for education. If all those services and jobs get cut, New York City becomes even less attractive. You've got property prices and deals falling even more, and that begins a spiral that could be very worrying, even harkening back to the 1970s if we get there.